Hey, I'm Nick Evans, co-founder and CEO of Avocado, and we're today again looking at AI and how it can help you run your restaurant. So, a lot of people don't know this, but OpenAI ChatGPT is a master sommelier, really good at understanding wines, what pairs with wines, and we work with OpenAI. We use their AI on our back end. And so what better way to use this capability of ChatGPT than to look at our menu and help us pair some specific wines with some of our menu items. This is, of course, a great way to upsell your customers, to have in the description, hey, this pairs really well with this wine that we have on our menu. And because you're able to change the menu so fast with ChatGPT or with Avocado's AI, you're able to just do that really quickly. So let's use voice to text to talk to our AI. You are a master sommelier. I would like you to suggest some specific wines that we could add to our menu that will pair with some of our menu items. Give us specific brands, specific wineries that we could buy and add to the menu. It's actually always good to tell AI, hey, embody this. I told it, you're a master sommelier, right? For it to actually get it to embody and realize and wake up and realize like, oh yeah, I kind of do know a lot about wine. Okay, here we go. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to say, add each wine that's the first on every single list. Now let's go through what it just gave me here. Add these to the menu. There we go. I'll hit save. And now the part to get people to buy this wine, to get them to upsell them on these wines. Now go through the description of every item and add a small note saying, hey, this pairs well with such and such. Look at the list that you sent before and work off of that. So now it's gonna go through each one of these items. All right, getting into the breakfast menu. Sure, French toast, sure. All right, this is pretty cool. All right, let's hit save. Yeah, so this is just a quick example of how you can use AI in kind of unexpected ways, right? Really, it's about leveraging the knowledge and the capability that AI already has and having it meet you where you are when you're editing your menu and trying to improve your restaurant. Thanks for watching. Follow along. We're going to be doing a lot more of these. We'd love to find out what kind of prompts, what kind of questions you would like to ask the AI. Please leave it in the comments. Stand by for more. Thanks a lot.